How to do smooth ease text transition. To begin, I added a video and a text to my timeline, and I want to create a smooth slide transition for the text. First, go to Effects panel and search for Slide. Drag and drop slide effect into the beginning of your text. This is a good slide transition, but it is not smooth. Now let's delete this slide transition and create a smooth slide transition. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls and move the playhead to the start. Now expand the text and click on Stopwatch next to Position to create a starting keyframe and drag Position first value to the left until the text is out of the screen. Move the playhead a little forward and drag Position first value to right until the text fully appears. This will create the second keyframe. To increase the speed of transition, move the second keyframe closer to the first one. Now select both keyframes and right-click on one of them, and choose Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. Now the transition is smooth, but to smooth it even more, first expand the position property to see the speed ramp. Then drag this handle all the way to the left. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.